Two men were shot dead by gunmen in Orangefield district in Linstead, St. Catherine on Monday night. The dead men have been identified as 33-year-old Dayton Dewar, otherwise called Corey, a watchman at the Orangefield Primary School, and Raciel Ruga Givens, 36, a shopkeeper. It was reported that around 7:45 p.m., residents heard loud explosions and upon check-in, saw the bodies of the now deceased. They summoned the police, who found the men covered in blood with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to their heads and upper bodies. Dewar was seen lying on his back along the side of the road, clad in a navy blue t-shirt, grey short pants, blue underpants, and a pair of grey and black slippers. Givens was seen on his back inside his shop behind the counter, clad in a white t-shirt with multi-colored floral design, black jeans pants, and black socks. Police said 28 spent casings were found while processing the scene. No motive has been established for the attack, the police said. A 55-year-old U.S. resident was stabbed to death and her 35-year-old son taken into police custody following an incident on Wavell Avenue, St. Andrew on Monday morning. The dead woman has been identified as Marvel Johnson from Northwest 30th Street in Lauder Lake, Florida. Observers online understand that a knife believed to be the murder weapon has been seized by the authorities. The suspect is said to be a mason from Red Hills Road. It was reported that around 7:20 a.m., Johnson, who returned to the island recently from the United States, went to Wavell Avenue to look for relatives and treat her son. While the now deceased was inside one of the bedrooms, it is alleged that she was attacked with a knife and stabbed multiple times all over her body. Relatives who reportedly heard her crying for help went to her assistance and pulled the suspect away before calling the police. Johnson was assisted to hospital where she was pronounced dead while undergoing treatment. The son was detained following the incident. A Jamaican farm worker is dead after he was found unresponsive in his room by a co-worker in Ontario, Canada earlier this month, the Minister of Labour and Social Security said on Tuesday. He has been identified as Daniel Brown. The cause of death has yet to be revealed. Reports are that on October 7, Brown returned home from work, prepared a meal, and went to bed. The ministry in a release said that on the morning of October 8, Jamaican Liaison Service Acting Chief Liaison Officer Althea Riley was contacted that Brown was found unresponsive in his room by a co-worker.